Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how can we create a area chart in Microsoft Excel. Guys, we have different types of area chart like 2D area chart, 2D area chart, 3D area chart. So to apply it, just select the data, click on insert, and here in this charts group, you have different types of charts. So I'll select this one, and here you have 2D charts and 3D area charts. Okay, so let's suppose, for example, I'm selecting this one. Now here, as you can see guys, the different months here, October, November, December, and the total and the average is shown in different color here. The thickness represent the type of sale. Okay, and when you switch from row to column, then as you can see the salesperson, how they're doing, you can see this. Okay, also guys, when you select this design, and here you can change the style or you can change the color. Also you can change the layout guys, and the elements you can change. And here, coming to this format, you can change the style of the text through this word art, and you can set the outline or you can fill any color, and an option is here for the effects if you want to apply. Also guys, when you double click on this chart, then a window comes from your right of your screen where you can change the things in details. So this was area chart. That's all for today. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.